Looking forward to work for big MNCs like Apple, Google and Samsung, but cannot really afford to go to UK or US? Then, in today's video, let's talk about this particular country which is also known as Silicon Valley of Europe. Yes, Ireland, one of the emerging nations for plenty of job opportunities for the students who are actually planning to do their masters or study abroad. Usually, students have this particular doubt in their mind whenever they plan on to choose the correct destination for themselves. अगर वो सोच रहे हैं बाहर पढ़ने जाने का, this is one thing that they have always heard of. Countries like UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and students usually aim at those countries. Every year, more than lakhs of students go to these countries for finding themselves great universities and great part-time job opportunities and also further in their future job opportunities. But since the crowd to going to these countries has become really massive, the job employment opportunities are getting lesser each passing day. And hence, Ireland is actually emerging up and taking up the places of these countries. Today, let's talk about Ireland in depth and know that how it can also be the right destination for you and can really help you in building your future there. Firstly, Ireland is known as the Silicon Valley of Europe, which, as the name suggests, that it is currently holding the biggest corporate sector in the world in today's date. Actually, Ireland is one country which charges a very less corporate tax, and hence the organizations which are working there in order to save their money are opening their headquarters in that country. So like I stated previously, companies like Amazon, Google or Samsung actually have their headquarters in that particular nation. Now if you think about it, if such big MNCs are opening up their headquarters there, the number of people they would be requiring to come and work with them. And hence, choosing Ireland as a country to actually pursue your courses, be it in the fields of data analytics, business analytics, management, or any XYZ course, can actually prove to be really useful and helpful for you for grabbing a better future opportunity for yourself. Now, talking about the entire admission criteria of Ireland, it is as easy as any other country. All you have to do is choose the university for yourself with the desired course that you'd like to study and apply in those universities online. Once you have received your offer letter, you have to pay your deposit to the university and then start with your visa process. Like the other countries, it also requires basic documents for your visa process, which includes your CAS letter, that is confirmation of acceptance of studies letter, your TB test report, your 28 days of matured funds in your bank account, and your passport. So, post that, along with UK, Ireland is only other country which is actually helping students with 1 year of masters, again, which actually emphasizes on the practical knowledge to be imbibed in students so as to give them better exposure and opportunities and make them skilled laborers. So, 1 year of masters plus 2 years of post-study work visa. And fetching yourself part-time job in Ireland is as easy as fetching yourself food when you feel hungry, to be honest. When you look forward to the opportunities in Ireland, there are a lot of industries which are looking forward for students like you who can come up there, study, do their graduation, and along with it, work with them part-time. And also, if you prove yourself to be good at that particular work, you can also ask your employer to make you a full-time employee. And once you have done your 1 year of masters and completed your 2 years of post-study work visa and get an additional extension of 3 more years to stay in that particular country, you can actually file your PR with Ireland. Yes, within 5 years, you can get your European PR. And with that, you can actually become a permanent resident of each and every nation that falls in the Europe. Doesn't it sound really interesting and easy? So yes, it is actually that easy. If in case you're actually planning for your study abroad, you should definitely give Ireland a thought. Now, talking about the living expenses, yes, Ireland can be expensive for you when it comes to the living expenses, but it is still cheaper than UK and USA or any other country.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
If you talk about the overall living cost of living in Ireland, it is somewhere around 10,000 euros, which is nearby around 10 lakh rupees. INR. And if you talk about the tuition fee of the universities, even the great public universities of Ireland like National College of Ireland, Dublin University, all these universities have a fee structure of somewhere between 18 to 22 lakhs only. And these universities also help you with a very good and great amount of scholarships. So they are charging you lesser tuition fee and also helping you financially as much as they can. Now talking about the cons, like each and every country does have its own, so does Ireland. And it is a very minor con, to be honest. It's just that whilst you're applying for the universities in Ireland, ensure that you're booking up your accommodation in time, because you might be able to face problems when it comes to finding yourself an easy house rented property. So ensure that once you have received an offer letter from the university, then itself you're starting with your accommodation hunting, because if it's too late, you might not be able to find a suitable place for yourself to put up nearby the university or even for the university accommodation. And the second one minor con is, which I definitely do not believe to be a con, is that it's an English, though it's an English speaking country, but still people have an Irish accent which might sometimes be a bit hard to understand. But if you're great at it, you can actually be able to adapt it and employ it on your own. So that is something I believe that you can actually make the most out of it. There are plenty of opportunities in Ireland. They are giving out easy offer letters of the universities for the students who are actually planning to apply there. They also accept Duolingo. One more major factor with Ireland is that as their English proficiency test, major of the universities in Ireland accepts Duolingo test, which is very easy to score at whilst you're applying for your study abroad journey. So Ireland has a lot of opportunities. The investment is lesser and the return on investment is more, which is how Ireland can actually prove out to be one of the greatest destinations for you to complete your graduation or masters from abroad. If you also want to know more about other countries and how you can easily apply to those countries and the breakdowns of the entire processes in applying to those countries, then please drop a comment below so that I can make my next video about it. So in the end, I'd just like to sum up by saying that whenever you're planning for your masters or your studies abroad, ensure that you're keeping up the check on each and every point and make the best out of your options available. Thank you.